Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is Side Stand Engine Lock System using Arduino. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Otherwise you can use battery power supply also, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output connected to the Arduino Uno 80 Mega 328 controller IC board, and a bike read switch on off switch connected to the means a key to on and off switch connected to the fifth pin, red LED green LED connected with second and third, alarm connected to the fourth pin, L293D driver AC connected to the 7 and 6th pin, and 300 RPM motor and a stand. So we created like this stand, 300 RPM motor, L293D driver IC, and one red LED green LED indicator, alarm, and Arduino Mega 80 Mega 328 controller IC, Arduino Uno R3 board, and 5 volts power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, and here is the on off switch button, off, on, off, on. Okay, off. So 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Power on, power supply on, Arduino Uno R3, and red LED green LED, red LED on. Stand should be in the off position. Okay, whenever you power on, it should be in the stationary position. Okay, now power on. Okay, it will give you the red LED. Okay, now power on. So now I'm going to start the engine. The stand should go upside. Okay, red green LED on, engine started. Means bike, mainly for the bikers, they won't they forgot to take the stand. So like that, whenever engine off, it goes to downside. Power supply board, Arduino Uno R3, red LED green LED, L293D driver IC, and side stand. This is our block diagram of the project. Engine on, stand should go upside. Okay, power off, then come down to downside. So this is our total hardware kit of the project. Thank you. Power on, power off, power on, power off, power on. Stand should be goes to upside, green LED on. Power off, red LED on, stand should down. Thank you.